Hello. I'm Chris and welcome to another feature video with Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Today we're going to show the Vertical Workstation and how to use it to tackle difficult woodworking jobs that you may come across in your shop. While looking into CNC, we like to ask, why buy a CNC system that only machines flat sheet goods, when a legacy CNC can go well beyond box building and allows you to say yes to more jobs? One of Legacy's main CNC features is this Vertical Workstation. Now this feature allows the operator to mount the blank in a variety of different ways so that the CNC can machine along the ends or edges of the material. Many Legacy CNC customers use this feature to produce joinery, but it can also be used for other applications. The Y-axis vertical clamping system is a modular option that can be added to the Maverick E-Series at any time. The frame sizes this can be attached to is the Maverick 4x4 and 4x8 CNC systems. Let's show you how easy it is to set up and cut parts on the Vertical Workstation. First, we'll mount the fence. Then we'll secure the part. And now we're ready to start cutting. You can customize this workstation by mounting fixtures, fences, and parts directly to this 2" by 2" threaded hole pattern. For example, we can use adjustable straight fences to mount the material on any angle to cut miters. This is done using a digital angle finder or a fixture that has a preset angle like the 7-degree MDF guide. By adjusting the angles of both fences, we can even produce compound angle joinery. Custom fences can also be used to mount components with unique shapes. By matching the hole pattern from the aluminum plate, we can mount this curved fence directly to the machine, and it positions the part exactly where we want it. Even custom homemade fixtures can be mounted to hold thicker material or multiple components at the same time. After seeing all of these different options and how parts are mounted in different ways, you might be asking yourself, what is included with the Vertical Workstation feature? First, it includes the adjustable aluminum mounting plate with the 1/4-20 drilled and tapped hole pattern and the 5/8 through hole pattern. This also includes a long aluminum fence that has an adjustable stop, as well as 2 side clamps that plug into the 5/8 through holes. You will also receive 2 adjustable fences with mounting hardware to position your material for straight and mitered cuts. To support this vertical clamping system, we're also going to be including another CNC controller page. This dedicated Vertical Workstation controller page will come with all the functionality to keep yourself organized and to quickly set up dedicated work offset positions for your Vertical Workstation. This entire module package is listed at $2,500 and can be added to your Maverick E-Series at any time. The Vertical Workstation unlocks a huge area of woodworking disciplines and again allows you to easily tackle some of the most difficult jobs you may face. Check out Legacy's product line and see how to use Legacy CNC to conquer woodworking's most difficult and profitable disciplines by visiting our website at lwmcnc.com. If you have additional questions, call Legacy at 801-491-0010. To watch more problem-solving videos that focus on turning, sheet processing, joinery, molding, 3D carving, wrapped carving, inlay, and more, click right over there. Press the like, subscribe, and bell icon to receive notifications when new videos are released. As always, thanks for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.